Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start now by making the grill safe and clean so paint can bond. You remove heat shields or knobs you can access, and you mask off burners and controls to protect them. Next, you degrease thoroughly so rust or oils won't lift the new finish. Use a commercial degreaser or 80% alcohol and let it dry. While that dries, set up a shady, dust-free workspace and don your respirator and gloves. This saves time and prevents common adhesion failures. Once clean, you tackle the critical prep that determines longevity. Sand all surfaces to bright metal using 120 to 220 grit, concentrating on rust and flaking areas so primer can grip. Feather the edges for a smooth transition. If you hit pitted rust, apply a rust converter and follow cure time, then wipe clean. After that, apply a high-temperature metal primer in thin, even coats. Make sure to wait the advertised tack time. You finish by applying the top coat carefully so the job lasts. Use a high-temperature enamel and apply multiple thin coats rather than one heavy pass. If spraying, hold 8 to 12 inches away and overlap each stroke. Once coated, let the paint cure fully according to directions, often 1 to 3 days before reassembling or heating. If you see runs or orange peel, sand lightly with 400-600 grit and recoat. If paint bubbles after heating, it indicates adhesion failure. Strip and redo primer on affected areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.